Good morning, friends. Welcome to Canines Coach. So, friends, today we are displaying our Rottweiler Bhairava
Response देखो
and
command response
Ken Corso
consequences.
along
Sit
with
बोले
our
आप.
senior trainer
Sit
and
बोलेगा dog आपका
Bob
sit
Spra,
करा नहीं करा.
chief instructor, along with our Kala Ken Corso. So, both the aggressive dogs and powerful breeds. Let us see.
देखो भैया. काला sit.
So, both the trainers are working with the dogs.
Command.
So, they are explaining something about classical and instrumental conditioning.
कमांड के बाद इसका रेस्पॉन्स 5 सेकंड से गैप दे देते हैं. करना नहीं करना. डाउन. स्टे. फॉर एग्जांपल. ओके. नाउ आई एम गोना आस्क द डॉग टू काला सिट. Sit. Now I am guiding the dog. When that dog is not doing, guide the dog that you have to do it.
With the help of a leash.
This leash is nothing but it's a tool. It's a translator between you and your dog. Okay? The way you are holding the leash, the way you are guiding the leash.
So here comes our Bhairava and Kala. Kala is a 7 month old Ken Corso and Bhairava is a 10 months old Rottweiler. And Bhairava happens to be a most aggressive dog when he came for the training here. But now after a bit of training he got relaxed. And our Kala, you can see the build and the structure of the dog. It's a beautiful Ken Corso. He's been handled by our Bob Spra trainer. So you can see how beautifully they are doing. So friends,
No.
so normally we conduct an interactive exchange programs, invite trainers from other academies also, so that we need to understand if something good happening with us, what's a good happening, if something we are lacking, the others may guide us. So it's all a team game. So let us see Bhairava. Sushik is also one of the senior trainers of Canines Coach. He operates door to door.
Down.
So you can see.
Rest. Roll.
So you can see our Bhairava. Distance.
Stay.
So you see the distance control. Recall. Stop.
Stop. Sit. Down. Stay.
So how beautifully Bhairava is doing, friends. Okay. Bring Kala.
Good boy. Very good, beta.
Good boy.
Make them sit beside Baju.
Kala.
Come on. Come on.
Stay. Bhairava ko idhar put. So
No.
Two black beauties.
Bhairava.
So why we are making the dog to sit beside each other? Because we want to check their socialization also. Because both the dogs are aggressive and heavy breed, so they should not fight with each other. They should be socialized. So Ali, can you tell something how you started training of a new dog?
I start training of a new dog with bonding with the dog. I let the dog assist me and I assist the dog. I'll go for a good walk. Walk with no. Down. Sit. Down. Stay. This is very important. So when we give a command to a dog, hook or crook, let it be anything, dog should remember what you are saying, dog should be there.
Yes.
That is very important. We should not overcome.
Okay. So Sushik, so you said ki matlab you will start by building the bond between the dog and gaining the trust.
Yes.
So how you will gain the trust and bond with the dog? What will be the exercise?
First I will take dog for the long walk, sir. Afterwards, I will sit behind the dog. Let him trust him. After trusting, Then I will rub her the total body and drop the leash. I will run away from the dog. Then when the dog runs behind me, then I can understand he was loving me. After that day or after 2 days, when the dog sees me, he has to wail his tag, nothing.
Yes. So what Sushik and our Ali was trying to say is that the first ingredient for the dog training is that the bond and the trust of the dog. The dog should trust you to the core, and the dog should be bonded well with you. So am I right, Ali?
Yes, you are right, sir.
Right. Then a repetition of a process in a systematic way over a period of time that converts into habits. Let us suppose if we are making the dog to down and stay, so we are repeating this process over a period of time. So that will go into the subconscious, and dog will understand it is what I am trying to do. So can we expect a Cane Corso and a dog, Rottweiler to just sit down and stay for this much time? So that all comes with a systematic repetition of a process. So that is what we do at Canines Coach. That is what normally Ali does at Paw Whisperer. So Paw Whisperer is also one of the finest dog training centers in Hyderabad. So you can see instantly the dog raised, but Ali reacted immediately and said the dog that you are still, I have not given the command, you are not supposed to do that thing. So this is the pure basics, and there is no rocket science involved in it. Only thing is that you should trust the dog should trust you. You work in a consistent and a systematic way and build the trust, and that's it. You will achieve your desired goal of making the dog socialized. Right. Yes, this is what you are supposed to do. How beautifully that Kala is doing. So, recall Bhairava.
Bhairava, Sabas beta, come. Very good. Come on.
Kala. Kala.
Aaja beta.
Good.
Kala. Kala, good boy. Come on.
Come on.
Kala.
No. Come here.
Good boy.
Play.
This is the.
Play.
So, the dog is been placed.
Down.
So this is what we do, friends. This is what we do at Canines Coach. So they are pure basics, and you need to understand. If you follow the basics, the dog will do whatever you want. So that's it, friends. That's it for That's it for today.
Thank you.
Thank you, Ali.
Thank you,
for
sir.
your nice words.
Thank you, sir.
And we will try to make this kind of videos very often.
100%, sir.
Okay. Thank you, Sushik.
Always welcome, sir.
So you can see the build, the structure of the dogs. So that's it, friends. This is the pure magic training the dogs here. Really we relish. Thank you.